it for this video. Please allow me to quickly introduce you to my super useful product for sewers.
Discover the ultimate sewing companion with 600 sewing projects. Packed with a massive collection of sewing projects, this easy-to-navigate PDF is your gateway to endless creativity. Simply click on a category, whether it's bags, clothes, bedding, toys, headwear, or an extensive variety of other plans like accessories, zippers, plushies, quilts, scarves, and a lot more. Each of the 600 projects contains a detailed explanation on how to make them, with lots of images, materials, step-by-step instructions, and even videos. Visuals for every project help you quickly decide what to add to your to-do list. With built-in notes pages, you can easily save and organize your favorite projects for future sewing sessions. 600 sewing projects, the only sewing resource you will need. Transform your sewing experience today. Link is in the description of this video.